Hello everybody, this is the December carpentry project video for parent number 5. Super simple this time. No hammering. Just have a dowel, a wheel, and a pencil sharpener. Put the dowel in the pencil sharpener, sharpen it up until it's about like that. Push it into the wheel as far as you can, and if you need a little help, open up the vise a little bit and give it a tap with a hammer, just enough so the point's coming through. Decorate the wheel and the stick however you wish, and then give it a little spin. There we go.